This video will show you how to adjust the tray height and remove the rear shell of LuckiBot Pro. Adjusting the robot tray height requires the use of a hex key wrench. Choose a hex key wrench that matches the size of the screw. Using an incorrect size may cause the wrench to slip or damage the screw head. Now, the following will show you how to adjust the first tray. Each tray is fixed with 2 screws on both the left and right sides. When removing the screws, make sure to apply force evenly, avoiding excessive or insufficient force to prevent damage to the screws or the wrench. Next, remove the tray supports and install them at the desired height for adjustment. After removing the screws, please store them properly to prevent them from getting lost. When the tray adjustment position is not in use, it is covered with black tape. Please stick it to the position where the support was removed. Next, insert the tray support into the new position, and then secure it with screws. Use the hex key wrench to tighten the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the screws or other parts of the robot. Once the tray supports are securely fixed, you can proceed to install the tray. Align the screw with the screw hole in the robot and insert it vertically, then tighten it with screw. After all the screws are tightened, manually check if the tray is secure. This is an important step to ensure that the robot operates safely and correctly. First, prepare the screwdriver. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the rear shell of LuckiBot Pro. Now the screws have been all removed. Please keep the removed screws and rear shell properly for future reinstallation. Place the rear shell back in its original position and align it with the screw holes. During the installation process, please pay attention to using the correct tools and controlling the tightening force appropriately. When tightening screws, make sure that they enter the hole in a straight line to avoid bending or tilting. The installation of the robot's rear shell requires a total of 10 screws. After installation, please check whether all screws are properly installed and none are missing to ensure safety and stability.